What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this is Humor Minimo. So this time I would like to react of one of the famous Thai songs. Specifically because I'm here in Bangkok, so when I'm going to school, I've always heard it. Not only going to school, but of course out there also here, there, in my neighbor, yeah, here, I'm sorry, or there. So I've always heard it. So actually I don't know what is the title of this song, but it's an official soundtrack from the movie. It's entitled My Ambulance by Sunny and Davika. So let's watch it for the first time, the official music video of this famous Thai song right now. So let's start to watch it. Wow, it looks familiar to me, this place, because I'm only here in Bangkok too. I think the location is here in Bangkok, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, they are such a cute couple. Yeah, maybe they are the singers. Okay, let us sing. Oh, what happened? Much, I don't know. I'm not sure with that. Oh, they are in the toilet. It's awkward. Oh, they are such a cute couple. I really like this video, guys. So if you like it too, just help me. Okay, so maybe sometimes let's dance together.